Are you thinking about booking Disney's Wilderness Lodge but not sure if it's the perfect resort for your next Disney vacation? Then you're in the right place. Today we're taking you inside the cozy woodsy rooms at this stunning deluxe Disney resort. Hey there friends, Erica here. Welcome back to our channel. We know it's so hard to decide which resort is the right one for your trip. Trust us, we've been there. With so many things to consider, it can be so overwhelming, but we're here to help. Today we're giving you a full tour of our waterview room at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, showing you every corner from the beds to the balcony and everything in between to help you decide if this is your dream Disney World resort. So let's head on in and take a look. Now, just a quick refresher, Disney's Wilderness Lodge is a deluxe category resort and is themed at the great lodges of the Pacific Northwest. You've got stunning lobbies, cozy fireplaces, towering pines, and flowing streams, even a full working geyser. There are a wide variety of room categories to choose from, including resort, water, and fireworks views, all of which have 1 king or 2 queen bed options and can be upgraded to club level access. You also have got 1 to 3 bedroom options in the Boulder Ridge and Copper Creek villas. And if you're feeling extra fancy and want to splurge, you can check out Cascade cabins that sleep up to 8, have private hot tubs, and overlook Bay Lake. During our visit, we of course stayed in the waterview room on the 3rd floor, which overlooked the center of the resort, surrounded by whispering pines and rock formations. The room location was a bit off the beaten path, but right between the dining options and the walkway to the boats to the Magic Kingdom. Not bad in our opinion, but we'll talk more about the location and room requests later on in this video. Alright, let's step inside. First impressions, the whole room is themed to feel like a national park lodge. Think Yellowstone meets Disney. Earthy tones, natural textures, and subtle Disney touches, like this wall art inspired by the American wilderness. The rich and rustic wood furniture and faux granite countertops are a beautiful touch that makes you feel like you're in an elegant woodsy retreat. It's not in-your-face Disney, but if you take a closer look, you can see the inspiration from the classic animated film Bambi. In fact, you can find many of the woodland creatures hidden in the wallpaper behind the coffee station, which is also where you'll find your mini fridge, Keurig maker, with a great selection of complimentary coffees and teas, and a nice little prep area. Great for keeping snacks from your grocery order organized and keeping those beverages cool. The room itself is quite functional, and at right around 345 square feet, there was just the right amount of room for our family of 4. The layout included, of course, our 2 queen beds, a small table and chairs, a standard 6-drawer dresser, and a bedside table. The headboards had a rustic carved design with built-in reading lights and plenty USB ports for all of our charging needs. Super convenient. And don't miss the under the bed storage. We love these new platform beds that Disney has been doing. They're perfect for stowing away your luggage and keeping your room tidy even when you're traveling with kids and those overpackers. Moving into the bathroom, one feature we really appreciated was the split layout with the dual vanity. This made getting ready in the morning so much easier for our family. The vanity is also designed with additional shelves and storage for all of your necessities. Behind the pocket door, you'll have the shower outfitted with the dual shower heads, along with your complimentary body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. A full-length mirror can be found in the closet, and the bathroom also comes equipped with a standard hairdryer and makeup mirror. And now for the highlight, our water view. This room of course had its own private balcony with a small table and chairs. Our room overlooks the stunning center of this resort, which included views of the main feature pool, surrounded by whispering pines, rock formations, and the gentle flowing streams that make this resort one of a kind. The balcony really provides a peaceful spot to relax and enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine after a long day in the parks. Overall, the waterview rooms at Disney's Wilderness Lodge are right in line with the rest of Disney's deluxe resorts. The rooms are spacious and functional, and the ones here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge balance that rustic Pacific Northwest charm with the subtle Disney magic. We really appreciated the wooded accent wall and the geode-inspired art, as well as those platform beds with extra storage and the dual vanity. And despite not having a view of Bay Lake, there was still something quite peaceful about seeing the towering pines and hearing the flowing streams from our balcony. But if we're being honest, we're not sure we would pay that slightly higher price for this particular view, especially when there are options for standard view rooms with potential Magic Kingdom fireworks views, if you make the right room requests. So let's get into those room requests, and how do you make them, and when? Fortunately, Disney makes it so easy to add requests to your resort reservation. If you're working with a Disney travel agent, they can make those requests for you, or you can call Disney directly a few weeks before your trip and ask them to add a room request to my resort booking. When you do, be sure to note your top 3 requests in order of priority. When it comes to room requests at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, a little strategy can totally level up your stay. Most waterview rooms actually face the Copper Creek Springs pool. Great if you don't mind a little extra noise or want quick access to the pool and boat transportation. But if you're after something a bit more peaceful, you'll want to either skip the water view or make this room request. Away from the pool, high floor, near the elevators. This combo gives you calming views of Copper Creek and its waterfall. Plus, it puts you closer to the lobby and the resort's dining and keeps you steps away from the elevator so you can quickly head to the buses and boats to get your park day started. If you're chasing those classic secluded wilderness vibes surrounded by tall pines, go for standard resort or fireworks room views. If your budget allows and fireworks are a must, Fireworks View is a no-brainer. If you're looking to save that cash but still want a shot at that magical view, book a standard or resort and request an even number room, high floor, near the elevators. That gives you the best chance at those dreamy wooded views and maybe even a peek at happily ever after without that higher price tag. But remember, these requests are not guaranteed, so if Disney isn't able to get all of your requests, hopefully they can hit on the most important ones. And that's going to wrap up this Disney's Wilderness Lodge Waterview room tour and review. We hope this video helped you decide which Disney's Wilderness Lodge rooms are perfect for your group and what room requests you should make to help your stay feel extra magical. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our Disney content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!